Guys, want to build a private community for your students, clients, or members? In this video, I'll show you how to create a community in System.io step by step. Step 1. Log into your System.io account. From the left menu, click Assets and then Communities. Click Create or Create a Community. Enter a name for your community, choose the language if prompted, and click Create. Step 2. Now customize your community. Add a community name, a logo or cover image, a short description explaining the purpose of your community, your brand colors if customization options are available. This helps members immediately understand what your community is about. Step 3. Next, create your first content. Depending on the options available in your account, you can publish welcome posts, announcements, tips and tutorials, resource links, discussion topics. Start with a welcome post that introduces new members and explains how they can get the most value from the community. Step 4. Now decide how people will join your community. You can share a direct community link, connect access through a sales funnel or checkout page, grant access after someone purchases a product or course. Choose the option that best fits your business. Step 5. Preview your community from a member's perspective. Check that the branding looks professional, your welcome post is visible, and the navigation is easy to use. A well-organized community encourages members to stay active. And that's it. You've successfully created your first community in System.io. If you'd like to build communities, sales funnels, websites, and online courses from one platform, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more practical System.io tutorials.